This is my latest project. It's a bandsaw I built. I got the plans from the internet, and it works really, really nice. These are plywood wheels, and there's 2 pieces of 3/4 inch plywood put together. Drill a 2-inch hole in the center for the bearings. Get a 1-inch shaft. Use bicycle tube for the outer rim of the wheel. And got myself a 105-inch blade. Use an old scrub brush to keep the drive wheel clean. Just regular electrical box. I have a cover for the front. And it's a pretty neat project. It wasn't too hard to do. You couldn't really follow the plans. I went by some of the measurements, but a lot of it's just gives you the basic idea. So, it's really good. Cuts a lot of wood. Cuts it real nice. Cuts it better than my Craftsman bandsaw. That's a 1 horsepower motor down there. My Craftsman bandsaw was a half horsepower. I'll give you a close-up of some of the stuff on it. Like I say, just to give you an idea. There's the upper wheel. I come down. There's the guides. I'll zoom in on the guide, blade guide, so you can kind of see how the blade guide works. Go closer, see, blade guide. And they weren't too hard to make. And I'll come down here to the drive wheel. That keeps the brush nice and clean. Alright, the drive wheel nice and clean. It's just a scrub brush. And as you can see here, there's not too much there to see. And we'll go around back of this thing. That's the on-off switch naturally. And you're probably saying, well, why do we have a plug on top? Well, that's to plug in a light that I bought to shine down on my work. You can see that this whole saw is just laminated out of what, 2, 4, 6, 7 layers of 3/4 inch pine. Okay, come around the back, and here's the mechanism for tightening up and adjusting and tracking. It's the tracking nut here, and this is a blade tensioning. Okay, and I think what I'll do now is I'll give you a little demo on how well this thing cuts. It is amazing how well it cuts. Let me see, I don't know exactly how I'm going to get in there. Let's see what we got here. I think that's probably pretty good. I got to put the cover on. The cover goes on fairly easy. Actually, it's going to be a hard time now. I hope this is going to come back a little bit. This one in here. Make sure everything stays on. It's a fun project, and I hope to get a lot of years of use out of it. So, there's just 4 security points in this. This. I'll take a piece of wood and I'll split it this way. Now you know it takes quite a bit of But here we go again. done. And hope you enjoyed it. And if you ever want to make one, there's plans on the internet. Very easy to find. Just look under wooden bandsaw. And I'm sure it'll come up with there's a half a dozen different styles out there. So that's it.